back to my channel. It's good to be back. We are cooking today bacon and mushroom samp. Bacon and mushroom samp. Very close to my heart. It's another dish that I grew up eating. Very popular in KwaZulu-Natal as well as in the Eastern Cape. In fact, in the Eastern Cape, they call it umngqusho. In KwaZulu-Natal, we don't have a fancy word for it. We just call it istambo. So I'm quite excited. Today we're gonna make it our own. We're just gonna give it that private school mix. So it's gonna be a risotto one, like our own African risotto. Let's get cracking. The ingredients are bacon, mushrooms, butter, cream, garlic, onion, spring onion, Parmesan cheese, parsley, white pepper, nutmeg, thyme, and our hero is samp. I've done my preparation of the samp the night before. I soaked it to remove all the impurities, and also it shortens the process. So instead of cooking it for like 3 hours, then I can cook it for 1.5 hours. So the samp is ready. I put a little bit of chicken stock as part of the cooking. So it's been boiling for the past just about, give or take, 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and I've just been checking it that it's boiling nice. It's becoming soft and soft and soft. So now it's very soft. Okay, starting with butter. I'm sorting all the aromatics, which is the normal onion, and then I've also added the green onion. I've used both the green and the white parts, and to give it that nice flavor. Then I've added garlic. It's just gonna sweat for the next 3 to 4 minutes until the onions are nice and succulent. Then we move to the next stage. The next step now is step number 3. It's our bacon. The bacon is nice and crispy now, and the next step, adding a mushroom. I'm using the brown mushrooms because they're very nice, smoky and earthy flavors, and gives that nice umami flavor on the dish. Continue to saute all of it together. for the next just about 3 minutes, because I don't want to kill the mushrooms. The mushroom must still be nice, and you must still feel the mushroom texture. So 3 minutes will be enough for them. Look at this. Now we're ready to move to the next step, where I'm gonna spoon in my samp into this nice mix. Bring it all now together before I actually add cream and the rest of the ingredients. So the samp that's left, and that's the beauty about samp. When you do a cup, it multiplies. So a cup will end up, after soaking and boiling, it's like 2 cups. So then the leftovers, I'm gonna freeze it. Then I'll use it for another time. Can freeze it for close to a month. It's fine. So now I'm gonna put the heat down and let it continue to simmer whilst I prepare the cream and Parmesan cheese mixture. So now I'm gonna mix, this is Parmesan cheese with cream, and I'm bringing into the mixture. Tastes good. I'm gonna add pepper now, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt for seasoning, but it's nicely balanced. The cream and the spices have given it a nice balance. So I'm just giving it a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add parsley, not all of it, because we'll use the rest for garnishing. I'm gonna close it and let it simmer. Oh la la. See, now we are ready to plate and eat. Bacon and mushroom samp, our own risotto. Okay, let me plate. Here it is, our own risotto. I'm gonna actually enjoy this with a glass of Chardonnay. It balances nicely the dish because of the mushrooms are earthy and smoky, and then there's bacon. So it brings nicely the whole combination. So this is the one. Yeah, so let's try it. Mm. 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 Oh my goodness. Divine. I wish you can be here with me and taste it. Try it at home. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. It is free, mahala. And please leave me a comment. Tell me what you liked. Give me a thumbs up. Drop down for the full recipe. Enjoy. It's been good. Asante.